Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Anyway, so today I am planning to make one very delicious and nice cake which is called chocolate pyramid cake. Okay, so for which we need the ingredients. I will give you the ingredients which are in the description box. In fact, just you look at here. We have Galaxy chocolate, Philadelphia original, no any flavor please. Okay, and Lord Park butter unsalted, Almarai cream plus the thick cream, and petit zero biscuits, castor sugar. These all many more ingredients we need for that. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go start preparing that pyramid chocolate cake. Okay. In the meantime, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my further videos. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Okay, let's begin. So for which we need to make first prepare the sauce. Okay, that white creamy sauce. Okay, let's begin. For which we will need 1.5 cup castor sugar. Okay, and 200 gram unsalted butter. Here it is, 200 gram unsalted. And please do remember butter should be soft. Okay, just remove from the fridge few minutes before so that it will become soft. Okay, and so here we will beat first with soft butter and castor sugar until it's being creamy and fluffy. After that we will add that Philadelphia cheese and thick cream. First we need to beat this. Okay. Now look at the consistency. When it becomes creamy, okay, it will take at least 10 to 15 minutes to come to this consistency. Okay. After that, now you need to add that Philadelphia cheese 220 gram. Okay. Okay. So here we need 220 gram Philadelphia cheese original. Okay. So this is only 180 gram. We will add another from another packet 40 gram. So it will become 220 gram Philadelphia cheese. And then 2 cheese thick cream. As you can see, this is Almarai thick cream, 2 cheese. We add here. Then we will mix again with the electric beater. Here you can see how it comes to a very nice thick creamy sauce. Our cream sauce is ready, and I will suggest you before arranging the biscuit, please keep for some time, minimum 10 to 15 minutes in the fridge, so that it will be chilled and firm, and it will be easy to make that pyramid while we make in the biscuits. Okay. Okay friends, now we come to the assembling point, the second phase, for which we need fresh milk in a bowl. And open the petit yellow biscuit. Okay, keep in a bowl ready. Line the tabletop with a large aluminum foil. Then you keep each petit yellow biscuit, take off and keep like this. So it's up to you how long you want the chocolate. Okay, so according to that you select biscuit. So here I am planning to make 5 biscuits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 biscuits I am planning to make. Just dip in the milk like this, you follow. Okay. And now use your Philadelphia cream mixture complete. Okay. Then break on this biscuit like this. Here. spread over the well, evenly you spread over and you just follow the thickness. The cream should be much more because when you fold, it will come out. So no need to over fill that sauce. And then again what you do is just follow the same process. Dip the biscuit in the fresh milk and again keep on the top. Okay, like this you follow because we will make 3 biscuit layers. Then after we will fold. I will show you that time. Just you follow this. Okay. So here we go. Likewise, you just follow. And again, second layer after arranging the biscuit, you again spread that Philadelphia cheese mixture all over the biscuit. And now this third layer biscuit last. Okay, third and last layer of biscuit. You again arrange on top of the Philadelphia cheese mixture. This is the final round biscuit. This the biscuit in milk. Take off. It's the milk. Then arrange like this. Here is the last biscuit. And then again the Philadelphia cheese mixture, but this time you must be careful and this is now soft, not too much, not less. You can see spread over the Philadelphia mixture. Okay, this is the very tricky part last. Actually, this is the tricky part. Please be careful while you're spreading because if you will pressure, then it will come out that inside sauce. You must be careful. As you can see, our third layer is also been finished. Okay, it stopped with Philadelphia cheese mixture. Now the very tricky part we will fold. Okay, please be watch careful how to fold because this is where we will make like pyramid shape with chocolate. Okay, look at my hand. I just fold here. Fold like this. Then fold this aluminum foil. Make like pyramid shape. Close the aluminum foil like this. Okay. Then after we will keep this thing for at least 2 hours so that it will firm and strong because there is butter, so it will make it hard. After that we will remove from fridge. That later I will show you how to cut and how to arrange the plate. For now it's ready. The second phase. Okay, for now we will keep in the fridge for at least 2 hours so that it will become hard and firm. Okay friends, so we keep our pyramid chocolate inside the fridge after assembling. Okay, in the meantime when it's being forming and being hard, so in the meantime we will prepare our third page. Okay, which is melting chocolate. Okay, so as I explained before, so look at the chocolate is Galaxy smooth milk chocolate, and we will melt first. Take 400 gram. Okay, it's okay. You can take 4 packet like this, 400 gram approximately. Smooth chocolate. Put here. Put 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted butter. Begin to melting. Look at the chocolate. It's melting. Just mix it like this. Now look at the chocolate. It's melted now. Okay. See, it's completely melted down. And then now you do one thing. You add 2 tablespoons unsweetened cacao powder. look at the color and consistency. See, it's very chocolatey, dark chocolate color, thick. So now our chocolate sauce is ready, and then we will see our pyramid. Let's check that. Now see, our pyramid chocolate is ready. I think it's being firm and little hard now. First of all, we will cut the edges according to our plate size. Okay. So we will just see, just measure our plate. So according to my plate, this is the size of the plate. So we will cut from these edges. Since that one is very chilled and our chocolate is warm, but when you spray it, it will automatically being hard. Because it's chocolate, when you contact with cold surface, then it will become hard. It's chocolate region. Just spray it like this all over this pyramid. See now. All over, everywhere, over where the chocolate, now it's ready to garnish, not for serve. Then we will garnish it. Okay. For garnishing, take one extra piece of chocolate and grate over this pyramid. And then finally sprinkle some pistachio pieces, silver pieces, just throw over it. It will stick automatically. Okay, so finally now your pyramid chocolate is absolutely ready to serve. Okay, look at this, it looks like pyramid. Okay, is it or not? Okay, thank you very much for watching the video, and please subscribe my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, good care.